A present day everyone, my name is Christina Joy Piseta. I'm a grade 11 student, ICT Strand. And I'm here today to deliver the bad effect of social media. Many advantage of social media, there are disadvantage too. Sometimes many people have a surface due to the spreading of fake news relates to them taught cyberbullying. Some of them there also have to face rolling to social media, different cyber stalking like shacking, spooding, samping, and so on. There are way illegal hackers used to get the private information to another to use illegal way allowed user lost their private terrorist group terrorist group use of social media as a regular platform and evading information on 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 roles, and that's all.